by Sunday.
Thank you, Brian. Well, farmers were hitting the fields hard last week while the weather was finally cooperating.
And the rain we saw earlier today put farmers at a stop again, which is the last thing they needed after Mother Nature already set them back 6 weeks this season. Heaven Ritchie joins us in the combine on tonight's Heavenly Farm Report.
Meteorologist Heaven Ritchie here with Mike Hoeft in the combine in southern Tazewell County, and he's going to discuss with us why he is just now harvesting in late October and all the challenges that he has faced during the season.
Typical harvest day. I start my day at about 4 o'clock in the morning out of bed. I'm on the road by 4:15. So I get to my farm shop, usually working before 5:30 in the morning.
In order to be as productive as possible, Heft has to make sure everything's ready to go before his guys show up at 7 a.m.
Between the combine, the couple of tractors that are running, the couple of semis that are running, we're going to use 300 to 400 gallons of fuel in a given day.
Once everyone arrives in the field, they split up and get to work. Everyone has to do their own part in order for things to run smoothly, meaning breaks are limited.
We don't stop except to relieve yourself out of the cab, but we bring our lunches with us, bring all the supplies we need for the day, and then by 6:30 at night, we're getting pretty tired.
As the days continue to swiftly pass and the frost potential is on the horizon, Heft is spending as many hours as possible in the fields, but he has been facing struggles through the season, and harvest is no different.
We're trying to get through this as quickly and efficiently as we can. I just came off of a 8-day downtime delay from machinery breakage. That's a real punch in the gut, when you're trying to hurry, you're trying to go, and your machinery lets you down.
With some fields completed, Heft says he's disappointed.
We're about 10 to 15% on average lower than what our expectations and projections were. Got a shorter crop. Prices are lower than what we had expected. Carry crop insurance, but crop insurance doesn't solve the problem. It just kind of takes the edge off. It's better to have a complete massive failure than it is to have a crop that's 15% off of what it should be, because the highest crop insurance I can purchase is an 85% level. So that 15% that you just lost is probably your profit.
When I asked Mike when he thought harvest would be done, he said he has no clue. That just all depends on the weather. So you'll have to watch the forecast. For Heart of Illinois ABC, I'm meteorologist Heaven Ritchie.
I didn't know we had free combine rides.
Yeah, she's still in there, by the way. We can't get her out.